How to change a fuel pump on an S15. You just need a hammer. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd head into work on Saturday and help out some of the boys. Justin's pulling the motor out of his R32 and Jan's upgrading his fuel pump wiring. So we'll get into it now. Jan's S15, got some new Hot Boy Kiwamis. Yeah, buddy. Just upgrading his fuel pump here, putting some bulkheads directly on the pump. Upgrading his wiring and shit. I need to really grab onto it. Oh, that'll put it there. That must be so tight. Look like a crushed A-rings. Yeah. Bit of fucking squish. Nice. Nice. Bit of oos oos. So what'd you do? You gotta go to the shop. What are you taking? The Mustang. Yeah, buddy. Let's go, Justo. All good? Alright, I'll try and do that as slow as possible, but the motor doesn't really want to move back, forward, I mean. Is the shifter in? Oh, there we go. Okay, coming?
Yeah. Okay, now go up.
What? Forgot to drain the coolant? The
Gear oil coming out of the shifter hole.
oh, and there's coolant probably going in.
Yeah.
Just keep going. Well, come in.
Hang on, what's that? What's that hose hanging off the side? Right where your hand was. that thing was stretched about 4 times its length. It was white. I was like, what is that? What was that?
I don't know, but let's get this back.
Alright.
Here you go. Well, okay, back this way.
Alright, you're gonna have to start tipping it. Other option is we just go up more. Do you want us to go up more?
Oh, you can.
Just straight up and straight out? Should be right. Just take a bit of weight off it because it's touching your rad support. Yeah, just lift it a little bit just so you don't fuck your rad support. Yeah. This is so fucking sketchy. Oh. Where do you want it? Just down?
Straight down.
Hit the emergency release button. Do you want tire or anything for it?
No. Dude, that new gun I haven't brought to work for this reason just got filled with gearbox oil and coolant.
Rip. Well, it's messy, but it's done.
That was horrible. It couldn't have
Shout out to this MVP. It was hanging out about here. Yeah, buddy. Thanks, Justo. You fucking got it, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
What are we doing in here? Getting all in your way?
Just tired of
Shit. So basically we just, well I say we, I mean Josh. Josh has put bulkheads on the top of his fuel pump to give power to his pump without using the factory plug because the wiring is too small. Isn't that right, Josh?
Yeah.
There you got the big rig wiring.
Right.
This is probably one of the cleanest S13s you'll see as well. Absolutely immaculate. So Casey, who's normally on the bike in my other videos, this is his weapon of an Evo. Forward facing 64-66. 4 doors for the whole family. That E85 life. Well, probably going to end this video here, guys. Got the motor out of Justin's 32. Jan finished off his bulkheads for his fuel system. Get his fuel pump working a little bit better, not melting up wires like it was doing previously. So just going to end it here, and I hope you all have a good one. Bye.